Equity is when everyone has a fair and just opportunity for health and well-being. An equity impact assessment is a tool to ensure your efforts don't unintentionally contribute to local inequities, but instead promote equity. Check out the first video in this series for more background. So, what does it look like to actually use an equity impact assessment in your work? Equity impact assessment questions can be used in lots of places, including program, organizational, collaborative, and government settings. They can also be used in a variety of planning processes, such as in policy development, program design, strategic planning, and grant writing. You can also use this tool during any phase of your work. You can use the assessment to help define your efforts' goals. For example, the tool can help you understand and prioritize local inequities with questions like, what inequities are creating the most disadvantage within your community? What are the root causes for why these inequities are happening? Which root causes do residents identify and prioritize for change? You can use the assessment to design strategies to address these local inequities with questions like, how can you address the root causes of inequities in your community? How can you ensure your strategies won't disadvantage any local groups of people, especially those experiencing inequities? How can you enhance the power and capacity of groups experiencing inequities? You can use the assessment to help you do your work and effectively implement your strategies with questions like, how can you ensure your strategies reach and benefit those experiencing the greatest inequities? How will you meaningfully engage groups experiencing inequities, in addition to other community partners, in helping to carry out this strategy? Finally, you can use the assessment to learn for continuous improvements with questions like, to what extent are the root cause of local inequities starting to shift? Are you seeing any positive or negative unintended consequences in response to your efforts? How will you engage groups experiencing inequities to help make sense out of this data and determine next steps? Interested in learning more? Check out the AbleChange Equity Impact Assessment tool. Check out the Equity section on the website. Check out the other videos in this series.